Hey everyone, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun Mini to treat your golfer's and tennis elbow. Whether you're someone who plays 72 holes a week or likes to get in a few sets recreationally on the weekend, we all can experience golf or tennis elbow at one time or another. The Theragun Mini is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. And the best part is, because its compact size, it's our most portable device and can provide you the muscle treatment you need anytime, anywhere. The Mini is the perfect companion that fits in your golf or tennis bag. Here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. The Mini comes with a standard ball. I like the dampener or the super soft attachment for the elbow and the areas surrounding it. You can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow us to personalize the usage to your own needs. Step 2, turn on your device by holding the power button. Then set your treatment speed by clicking the same button. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Step 3, now for the fun part. Using your Theragun and finding the relief you're looking for. First, start by treating the muscles above and below the areas of pain. Due to overuse, the tight muscles attach to the bone and are pulling on the joint, which causes the inflammation. Treat the front and back of your forearm for 30 seconds. Then move up to the triceps and biceps and treat these areas for 30 seconds as well. Next, apply the device directly on the area where you're experiencing the tenderness. It may be sensitive at first, but after application for 3 to 5 seconds, your arm will acclimate and you can continue applying the device for an additional 15 to 30 seconds. Remember to stretch the flexors and extensor muscles for 10 to 15 seconds each application. Repeat this process twice a day. Remember, we want your Theragun Mini to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all speed and attachment combinations to find the one that's right for you and gives you the best in preparation for that next match or your next 18 holes.